The breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth is being plagued by a lone gunman that is stalking Lititz St. Elizabeth residents. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Residents of Lititz in St. Elizabeth District have been livid as they are being preyed upon by a lone gunman who has been terrorizing the community over the past few months. According to residents, the lone gunman, described as a tall, slim black man, uses the style where he sticks up unsuspected residents and march them to their place of residence where he robbed them. He then uses the victims that he has just robbed to trick their neighbors so that he can gain access to their homes as well. According to reports, the gunman uses his sophisticated tactics of threatening your life and then asks you to call out your neighbors in order to spare your life. Once this is done, he lurks in the dark until the neighbor opens their door, then he strikes on those neighbors as well. The gunman is said to have robbed 4 houses on 1st Street in Lititz on Sunday night using the same method. 4 separate houses were robbed Sunday night. The gunman saw someone on the road, stick them up and took them to their house. It's further reported that the individual in question spent about 2 hours searching the residence and asking for chains and gold, and also taking a number of cell phones. The Lititz district is a community on the Manchester-St. Elizabeth border. The police has commenced an investigation into the matter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.